Alright guys, welcome back. We're just finishing up with our auto crafting that we're trying to get done here. So I'm going to place an interface here, and I can use this conduit line to hook it up. So it actually doesn't even need to go there. Cool. Okay, and I think that will allow me to do this and this. So it needs capacitors, that's not a big deal. Input, output, and then this one, input, and then we'll put the output on top. Okay, let's grab some capacitors. Oh, look at that, perfect, we got 4 octactics, exactly what we need. There's one, and there's 2. Okay, then we need another interface. Kind of running out of space in this building, honestly, but that's okay. I guess we could, honestly, screw it. Let's just do this. We'll put them up here. Doesn't hurt anything, I don't think, because let's see. If I put one here, that'll be just fine. Well, that needs to be open. Okay, so I can put an import there. Boom. This one, since the interface is there, if I put it here, I don't know, I don't think it will let me stack them. So I'll put it here, and then I can go off the side. Pull, push, pull, push. Cool. So now let's get our buses. Import buses. Need some more pistons. Damn it. I hate pistons, guys. I really do. Okay. Cool. We'll just, yeah, it's fine. Okay, 4. There we go. Now we got 4 of them, and what you do is 1, 2, 3, and honestly, I'm going to change this. I'll just put it on the side. And boom, just like that. So now those are all powered with the exception of this one, which shouldn't be too difficult to sync up here. Boom, there we go. And put in the capacitors, 1 and 2, and let's see, so crystalline and easiality. What else are we missing? Got the interfaces, so I just need some regular cables, I believe, to hook up these little guys here. So I'll go 1, 2, 3. And then those are all connected. And 1, 2, and 1. Finish it off with these conduits. Boom, look at that. So we have now automated out our sag mills and our alloy smelters. So really we should load those up with a bunch of patterns so we can utilize everything. But now I believe if I type in, like, let's pull these out. Let's see if I can craft a couple of these. Got everything, cool. Hit start, and then if I go to capacitors, I believe it will go through and make them. We can go to crafting status, so just like that, boom, look at that. We actually made a crystalline capacitor. We made 2 of them, guys. So we are doing pretty good, I would say. Next step, melodic, alloy, and end steel. So we're going back over to the pattern terminal so we can encode these so they're ready. It's going to be a little bit of work, but they're processing recipes. So basically, in order to do auto crafting, all you have to do is make sure every ingredient that's going to be required for the item you're trying to build automatically, you have a pattern for. Otherwise, it's not going to be successful all the time, right? You would have to go out and make sure that you collect enough items, stuff like that. But the way we have it set up now, I generate a fair amount of resources from our sieves, the garden cloches, the mystical agriculture crops, whatever. And I have patterns to turn all of them into resources that I need, so I can basically pick whatever tier of capacitor I want and make it. It's pretty awesome. I think anyway. I don't know. Maybe it's lame, but you know what? If you think it's lame, that's your problem. Anyway, let's take a look and see if we can't get end steel set up. So dark steel, end stone, and obsidian. Pretty easy. Chorus fruit might be an issue, is the only thing, because I don't know how to get that. Let's see if there's an easy recipe for it. So popped chorus fruit takes a chorus fruit, nature, and end essence. Bonsai trees, end stone with a chorus fruit will make these, so I can do that. That's pretty easy. But nature and end essence. So I need some end seeds and end cluster. Herber. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna go get some chorus fruit. That way I can put it into a hopping bonsai pot and kind of just have it infinitely make, because I don't think I have it already. Yeah, I don't. So we're going back to the end, guys, to see if we can find some chorus fruit or a chorus tree, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. That's a newer item since I played vanilla, and I don't know if it's vanilla or if it's part of a mod or what, but that's what we need. So we're gonna go try to find some. Before we get too far ahead of ourselves, though, we're gonna mark the portal. Otherwise, we're gonna get lost. Yeah. No one cares. New portal and blue. Sure. And yes, I do plan on teleporting back to it. I know it's cheaty, but I don't really give a shit. It saves time for you guys and for me, and I think it's more important to keep generating more content than, you know, watching me fly through the void that is the end. So if you disagree, let me know down below in the comments, but it probably isn't going to matter too much to me. I'm sorry, guys. But anyway, I hope you're enjoying the series so far. We are making some progress. I hope that my little tutorial, so to speak, on how to automate machines and crafting recipes and stuff is helpful for you if you haven't used applied energistics before. I know sometimes it can get a little bit confusing and not make too much sense, so I hope I did a good enough job for you that now if you want to play and set it up, you feel confident that you can do it on your own world. But with that being said, guys, I am going to start a Patreon setup here. It's soon to come. I'm still working out all the details and what we're doing with it and what the tiers are going to be and everything like that. When it does come, I definitely am going to give you guys my Steam ID if you subscribe to my Patreon. That way you can see what games I'm playing, you know, my game time, whatever, and you can add me as a friend, and I'd be more than happy to play with some people on, you know, multiplayer games on Steam. Eventually I'll probably start a Minecraft server as well. To get access to it, you'd probably have to be a Patreon for me as well. And then outside of that, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. I haven't quite figured out what I want to do with all the tiers yet, but it'll be listed obviously once Patreon is completed. So and published and everything. So I'll leave a link to it down in the description if you want to become a Patreon. I really would appreciate it because it helps keep the channel going and make sure that I keep bringing you awesome content, gives you some perks as well. And yeah, but anyway, I hope you enjoy the series so far, guys, and until next time, we will see ya.